do now? Mr. Bravery.
He's going to tell him what he wants to do, that's for sure. Go sideways, it'll spin you.
Get straightened out. Get on your knees. Oh, there you go. Put your feet in better. Not very heavy is the thing.
Ooh.
Oh my. Backward surfing there.
Automatic ball return.
No, he's going to make him dive in with it. If you go to the top without staying on it, you have to dive in.
Dive?
Look at Caden like, oh yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Ah. Well, good for him. I thought he might not do it.
Well, he got himself unstuck.
Get on your knees, Caden. Figured out how to maneuver a little better now. Oh, he's going to get on his knees. There you go. Briefly.